In this exercise, we will learn the photo filter and channel mixture option. Basically, both options are used to adjust and change colors quickly. Okay, let's see how these options will work. Let's click on Adjustment Layer and choose the photo filter option. Here, we can see we have many different filters to apply on our image. We have a warming filter. We can adjust the density from here. We have red, blue, green, deep blue, yellow, underwater, and we can apply any of them. We can choose any of them according to what we need, and then adjust the density effect from here. We can also apply any specific color on our image by clicking on Color, and we can change any color. And then we have the Preserve Luminosity option. This option will create a lightening effect on our image. We can see the effect by on and off. Okay, let's delete this layer and see the next option. Let's go to the adjustment layer and choose Channel Mixture. And now we have some preset options, black and white infrared and black and white with a green filter. Next, we have Output Channel. Let's check off monochrome. Monochrome is just a black and white image. Here, we can see green, red, and the blue option, and then we can adjust according to the colors of the image. Great. In the next exercise, we will learn the Posterize, Threshold, and Invert options.